प्रपद्यन्ते अन्य देव प्राप्नुवन्ति वासुदेवात् आत्मनः अन्यः देवता. Other than Atma. Anything other than Atma is Anya Devata. So now our list of Anya Devata will be biggest list. Because we are not interested in Atma. And then it is said, if you want to worship this Devata, these are the rules. If you want to do this, this is the rule. If you want to go by Vastu Shastra, you change your directions. If you want to go by Navagraha, this is how you have to go. If you want to go, or Devata also can mean local politicians. Like how I said, you don't have to do anything. You just open a bag, put things in there, that Devata once he is happy. This is how all these billions of dollars, markets tanking down. So some local Devatas were propitiated for long time without really knowing who is behind everything. So the after effects come. But for every Devata then there are niyamas, right? If they say this official, so for this official we know how he will be pleased. He likes to go in big cars, so you take him in this car or you give him that. This other one, he likes plane. You take him, give him some vacation in island somewhere. He'll be happy. Then he will bless you. Tam tam niyamam asthaya prakritya niyata swaya. And then what happens? Bhagavan says whatever desires that they have, they are fulfilled. You see the next shloka. Yo yo yam yam tanum bhaktaha shraddhayarchitum ichchati tasya tasyachalam shraddham Tameva vidadhamyaham. Yo means yaha, he, whoever this person is, who has desire. Yam yam tanum devata. Any god with whatever form that he worships. Architum ichchati. The only condition is shraddhaya, with faith. If he worships that Devata with Shraddha, Bhagavan says, Tasya achalam Shraddham tam eva aham vidadhami. What I do is, I strengthen his faith in that God, in that expression. If he worships a particular form of God, a particular Devata, I make sure that his faith is strengthened by fulfilling his desires. I give that power to that Devata. So, Bhagavan is now revealing the backstage, what is going on. He says, I am controlling the show. You may think, this person signed my thing. That person is very powerful. No such thing. I am behind everything. And I do it in such a way, people don't even have a doubt. They think, no, this person did. And their Shraddha, their faith is strengthened in that. If somebody worships money, I say, money is power. Bhagavan says, I increase his faith in money. As long as the worship is done in the right way. In the sense, if somebody says, I will do Lakshmi Puja, Kubera Puja, I will get more and more wealth. Bhagavan says, okay. That is also right. As long as you do the right way of worship and use it for the right cause. So Bhagavan strengthens this understanding. Actually, there is a shloka which says, anything, if it is done with Shraddha, it will give its result. See, the shloka is, Mantre, Tirthe, Dvije, Deve, Devagne, Bheshaje, Gurau, in 7 things. Mantra, any mantra, if that mantra has Shakti, and you do that mantra worship with Shraddha. So any mantra you take, And you see Shabri ji, she didn't know what was Ram. And Valmiki ji, Mara. Whatever mantra is given, but with faith he chanted, he got the result. Mantre, Tirthe. All you do is tomorrow go under a tree, create something and say, this is a Tirtha here. And you do Namaskar, in few days you see there is a long line there. All you have to do is say that this is going to work. When people come with faith, there is no end. What is making the thing work is the faith. And if there is someone who goes there with the attitude, I'm going to open this, find out, what is missing here or why people are doing this, for that person it will not work. Because he has not gone there with faith. Medicine also same thing. You try a medicine. Is that another? Bheshaja. Bheshaja means doctor. You go to a doctor and with this idea, I don't think it is going to work. You give me medicine, whatever you are going to do, I am not going to eat. I just want to try out. Try out means I just want to see, meet you, talk to you. You give me medicine, they will stay there on my cabinet. Or even if I eat without faith, it's going to work? Chances are it's not going to work. These grahas, you wear the rings. Because somebody is saying you are wearing it, then you will remove it, then you will wear it. It's not going to work. With faith you do, you will say, yes, it is working. So mantre, tirthe, dvije, the brahmanas, you call them for some ritual, shraddha ceremony. And they will do, and they'll say, now your ancestors have come and they are going to partake this. And somebody without any faith, he sits there and says, I don't think anything is happening, or I don't think anyone comes. Especially when this Brahmana invites, definitely not. It will not happen. Because you don't have Shraddha, that's all. So mantra, tirtha, dvija, deva, of course, devata, Shraddha has to be there. In Devata Shraddha, if there are two temples of the same deity, they will say this deity has more power. And on a particular day, there will be long line in that temple. Next door, there is another temple with the same deity. Bhagavan will be waiting, nobody will go there. Why? No power. This is Shraddha only. And in India, so many temples. Siddhi Vinayak temple in Bombay. On Tuesday, longest line. There will be another Ganesha temple next door. That priest will be sitting there. Nobody will go there. And here there will be longest line. Shraddha. Balaji temple in Tirupati, long line. Any other where Balaji is the same. Shraddha is not there. So Deva. Devagnya. Devagnya means astrologer. So if he says, about grahas, etc. Bheshaja means doctor. And the seventh one is Guru. In Guru also, if no Shraddha, no result. Some people, they go for classes also. I don't think anything is true. I just have to wait. Kids are in Bal Vihar. Outside it is cold. So I am sitting inside. So then for them, that much gain only. If Shraddha is not there, they will never feel any change happening in them. Because faith is not there. Ya bhavana yasya siddhir bhavati tadrashi. Whatever kind of bhavana is there, accordingly there will be accomplishment, siddhi. So, otherwise, without Shraddha, if anything is done. People go to temples also, or they go to Mahatmas, they do Namaskar without any Shraddha. Who is asking them to do this Namaskar? You don't do. Why you have to show it to people or to that Mahatma, look, I am doing Namaskar to you. Have they asked you? And trust me, they would love honest people. So important. We should not do things because I want to be in the good list, or what will others say. Others already know. If faith is not there, we should not do something. That is better. Vedas also, they say if you have faith in this, you do it. If you don't have faith, don't do it. Lectures also, if you don't have faith, don't occupy one seat. You are wasting your time. What else? If Shraddha is there, it will give the result. Of course, Shraddha is also Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. That is the thing. Later on, we will see that topic.